Hi, I'm Casey Thorson, and I am going to share with you today why I love organic cooking. And organic foods are delicious. They are grown in soils that have the least amount of pesticides, herbicides. They're grown in soils that are cultured. They are well taken care of, and that comes to us through our food. I love the flavor of organic food. It reminds me of when I was a kid and just about everything in the stores was organic. And I have relatives pull me aside all the time and ask me, where did I get my produce and where did I get the ingredients for the things that I do make? And last but not least is the affordability. Wisconsin, for example, is the second largest organic farming state in the country. And we have readily available relationships with farms, farm markets. Greens are now grown through the winter season in hoop houses. So we have the convenience and we have the affordability these days. I have been cooking organically for more than 30 years, and I just invite you to try it. It's delicious.
This moment brought to you by WCA Group Health Trust.